Alright, what is up guys, Bernammer72 here, and you like my new setup? Yeah, you'll be seeing a lot more of these if I do this type of video, and if you read the title, then you should know that I've made a Lego Beyblade launcher. How much more of your childhood do you need? But yeah, this is a Beyblade launcher made from another Beyblade launcher and Legos, string and a wrench. So basically what you gotta do, wind the string up to the direction you want, get your rotation. Right now it's right rotation. You can easily switch it out between left and right, and then you'll just have to wind this a different way. But if you can tell, there is some severe mechanical advantage going on. That way I don't have to pull as hard and I can get the same results as a normal launcher. Speaking of normal launchers, this is the regular launcher. And this is the new launcher. This is my original launcher. See, I took it apart and the gearing is direct. So the amount you pull is it's 1-to-1 basically. This, I haven't done the math, but you'll get a lot more speed out of this, as you can see. But yeah, just pull it, and that's all there is to it. So let's test it out now. I need a stadium. Upside down. Alright, now let's get jamming. Yeah, so I'll start off with a Jade Jupiter. Let's load him up. Hey, watch this. And it spins almost perfectly. A lot better than the drill launcher, I must say. And this is actually prototype 1. Prototype 1 is actually working. Well, technically this is prototype 1.3. Yeah. So, yeah, it's working pretty well. Now, what I do to wind it back up when you're done, it's just, while it's going out at it, just wind it back up while the battle's going on. And if you noticed, I used a wrench as the grip thing, so it has a wrench built in. But yeah, still spinning strong. Alright. Let's test Phantom Orion with this launcher, and then Jade Jupiter with this launcher. So launch, and then ooh, nice hit. Oh, Phantom Orion. Ooh, Jade Jupiter. Jade Jupiter! Jade Jupiter has lost. Alright, now this is my real testing procedure. I spin them once, and once I get a result, then I spin them in the opposite time. So, like, I launched, I think, Jade Jupiter first, so now I'm going to launch Orion first. So let's do that. Phantom Orion. Let it rip. Okay, that was a bad launch. Hold on. Alright, now it should be a good launch. Alright, now I'm starting to get mad because this is the one problem. It will get stuck. So if you try and do this yourself, please fix that problem. Third time's the charm, I bet. I hope. at least. Now that is a launch. Very uneventful. Come on, who's gonna win? Who will win? J. Jupiter lost. Phantom Orion is the winner again. Nice job, Orion. Anyway, this is a tidbit. This might be on the quiz, kids, but this Phantom Orion was my sister's favorite bay, and technically this was bought for her, but she gave it to me because she never used it anymore. And in the anime, she really liked the person who owned Phantom Orion. His name was Chris. But that has been the Lego launcher using mechanical advantage. But I would love to see your guys' versions. You can post them to my Discord server or to my Amino. But other than that, I hope you guys live, like, and subscribe to Banana 72. Bye.